How to fall asleep naturally. A calming night routine by Wellness and Voyage with Faiz, your guide to simple, mindful, and natural living. Tonight, let's gently guide you into restful, healing sleep with this soothing nighttime ritual. Before anything else, make your bedroom your sanctuary. Keep the lights dim, set the temperature cool, silence distractions and surround yourself with softness. Your space should invite rest, not resist it. About an hour before bed, disconnect from your screens. Let go of emails, social media, and news. Blue light confuses your brain, telling it to stay awake. Instead, reach for a book or simply sit with your thoughts. Let the quiet prepare your mind to slow down. Now, warm up your senses with something comforting. A cup of chamomile tea, turmeric milk, or an ashwagandha latte will do. Sip slowly. Feel the warmth settle into your body. These ancient remedies signal your nervous system that it's time to rest. As you settle into your evening, gently stretch. Release the day from your shoulders, your neck, your back. Then breathe with intention. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Repeat. And again. Let each breath soften your body deeper into the now. If your thoughts are still spinning, don't fight them. Write them down in a small notebook beside your bed. Let the page hold them for you. Then repeat softly to yourself, I am calm. I am safe. I am ready to sleep. Consistency brings calm. Have a set time to go to bed. Let your body learn when to shut down and when to rise. A drop of lavender on your pillow, a favorite melody, 2 pages from a quiet book. Little rituals whisper gently to your brain, sleep is near. And always remember the rhythm that brings balance, no caffeine 10 hours before sleep, no heavy meals or work 3 hours before, no screens an hour before bed, and no snooze button in the morning. Your body thrives in rhythm. Give it the gift of routine. Sleep isn't just rest. It's repair. It's renewal. It's your body's most sacred form of self-care. Try this ritual for the next 7 nights. And if it brings you peace, share it with someone who needs it too. This is Wellness and Voyage with Faiz, wishing you sweet dreams, quiet nights, and a soul deeply at ease.